Start a transformative journey with Tarot for Self-Transformation, your journey to happiness mapped out. Hidden within its images and symbols is ancient knowledge from the philosophers of Greece to the mystics who later influenced the teachings of the clergy. The tarot was thought of as a tool to preserve and express this secret or sacred knowledge. The path to self-transformation and awareness and enlightenment is told through the journey of the Fool. The Fool is the first of the tarot cards, carries number 0. It attains wisdom through the trials and tribulations of life. On his journey, the Fool awakens and matures. We see him at the end of the journey transformed as the World card, having attained mastery and mystical knowledge. Uncover the secrets of life path using this ancient knowledge of the tarot. This book is your guide to decoding the messages hidden within the 78 cards. Reveal your own strengths and weaknesses and be inspired to conquer life's challenges like the Fool. Your life purpose awaits you. This isn't just a book. It's your roadmap to self-discovery. Filled with interactive exercises and examples, this is perfect for anyone seeking self-transformation and a deeper connection with their true self. For beginners as well as seasoned readers. Find out more secrets why Justice is given the number 8 and Strength card is given the number 11. Check out Amazon reviews and please remember to share your thoughts and experiences. Happy reading! Thank you, Dubai, for making my book the #1 bookseller.